Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just finished off another chocolate video and I have a little bit of chocolate and Rice Krispies left, so I just grabbed another mold and let's see what we can get out of the remaining chocolate. So this is tempered chocolate, and the other video where I did all of this, I'll put a link to it underneath this video. Now we'll just start filling up these little cavities. So this is a dark chocolate with Rice Krispies. And that combo is amazing. I'll just fill these up and I'll be back. Okay, that's good. And then we'll just give this a nice tap. Some of these are going to be a little bit bigger than the other, but that's okay. Just tap, tap, tap. That evens everything out, and it also brings all of the air bubbles to the surface. So that's perfect. I'm just going to let that sit until it sets up, and I'll come back later. So here we are again. This is about 2 hours later. I let the chocolate completely set, threw it into the fridge for 10 minutes, and now we're going to try to get them out. I can already see that some of them are popping away from the mold. There we go, and just two more. And there we go, perfect. And look at that. Nice. For the last bit of our video, let's just crack into one and see what they look like inside. Look at that. Ooh, nice little snap. Look at that. Oh, very, very nice. All those Rice Krispies in there. These are really fun. You can eat them like this, or the way I like to do it, cut them up into little pieces like this, and then just put those right on top of your ice cream just before you serve. Amazing. Anyway, let's go in for a little bite. You can hear that little crack as I'm going through there. You can actually hear the Rice Krispie. Gotta go in for a bite. That was really good. That's a super amazing combo. So that's it for this really fun and fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.